So welcome again to our new video. In this video we will work on row and column widget with their differences. So let's start. So row and column are the most important and powerful widgets in Flutter. These widgets let you align children horizontally and vertically as per the requirement. As we know that when we design any UI in a Flutter, we need to arrange its content in the row and column manner. So these row and column which are required when designing a new UI. So there are many types of properties used in row and column widgets like children, cross, axis alignment, direction, main axis size, text baseline, and the text direction. So first we talk about children. That is the list of widget to display inside the row or the column widget. And for cross-axis alignment, the children widget should be placed in cross-axis alignment. For row, it is vertical, and for column, it is horizontal. So how is it to work? I will show you in our example. And another one is direction. This property holds as an the axis, and another one is direction. This property holds as the axis and an object to decide the direction used in the main axis. For row and column it is fixed. Main axis alignment, the children widget should be placed in main axis alignment. For row it is horizontal and column it is vertical. It is opposite to cross axis alignment. And the main axis side also decide the main axis and the text based line. This property is responsible for the alignment of the text in the row or column widget with respect to a baseline. And the last one is text direction, in which we give the text directions like in the row or the column. So main axis alignment and cross axis alignment is the most important in the row or column widgets. There are 6 values in it. They are start, center, and space between, space around, and space only. In the row, main axis or cross axis work like this. This is in the row, main axis work horizontally and cross axis for vertically. And in the column, it's opposite. The in which main axis work vertically, but the cross axis is for horizontal. So let's start with code. How does it work? So we work in body of app. In body, getter, row widget, and with the children attribute, in which we use multiple things, like in which we use container with its height, like we give height around 50. Also width 50. And the color like this. And here we give 3 containers with a different color. The same. And the containers will show you like this. But before the children attribute, we give main axis alignment or space around. Space around is helpful to place the free space only between the children, as well as half of that space before and after the first and last child. and for space between, it will show like the stretch. This is the place the free space only between the children's, like this. And the last one is space only. It is also similar as space around, but the free space only between the children as well as before, after the first and last child, like this. In the row, the container show like this, and in the we just change row into column, and the container's direction will be changed. So this is the difference between row and column.